Squinkies Gumball machine.
Yay.
And it's just like a home.
Yes.
Because if you open the two sides, you can see a kitchen and... No, right here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it
You
is.
can see both of the sides. And I'm way opening. I got it. And I'm way opening.
Nice.
One side goes the door and another side. Wow! You got Squinkies. And they have the Squinkies in tiny balls.
That's cool. Okay, open this one, Mamas.
I'll open
So-
one from this box.
You open this one, Mama. Okay.
Oh,
Open
here's
it.
one. Oh, I got one that we don't have.
So we have Squinky surprises and size. Connect, collect. And create your own Squinky pop-up world. Collect 15, you guys.
Oh, and there are 5 play sets.
Beach one, bakery one, cafe, house, and town. This is how they look.
Oh, look. I got the cafe. Oh, and there's a cool limo here. Oh. I got the house. I'll get another one.
So it has all these little cards, cute stuff. Aaron can play with it. This one's our
Now
house.
you should come from. Oh no, it's way open.
Yeah.
I got the baby. Oh, so cute. Oh, I got a good one. I think I got one. I think I got the husband of that one. I think I did. Wait, did I?
And then she gets her flowers.
Wait, I did get the husband. I got the husband that belongs with the set. Oh, look. This is so cute. Look, this one goes.
Oh, they're all different. Nice.
Oh. That's so cute.
This is called Series Beach One Set. Nice. So we have a bakery. Oh, so this is Beach One. That's what we did. We collected the Beach One.
Look, I just got this cute little baby that's at a house with all these other ones. I'm going to put a coin in here. Here, and here's the other.
You gotta be careful so you don't
One.
break them or tear them. There it is. And then you can use these little balls and put your little gumball, your
Okay,
little
I
babies
got
in here.
the Funko.
And you can play.
I got the Mary.
There it is.
I got this one.
You can put them in here, sweetie.
I got this one.
Who is it? Let me see. Let's show our friends. She got the, oh, it's like a little beach. Like when you're at the beach. The bride. The bride.
Oh, look, I got a mermaid one. I got a mermaid.
A mermaid.
Oh,
Beautiful
oh,
mermaid.
look, this goes with the house actually.
I like this. In
Oh.
this house, she has coffee and hot chocolate.
Oh, no, look, she goes right here.
Oh,
this
and
one.
what is this called?
That's a cafe.
We got the cafe series. Nice. Let's show our little friends. That's what it looks like. The cafe.
Now let's see what else they got because I'm really excited and I hope we finish the whole. Oh, I see a different mermaid. Another room of a cafe. Look, I
Put it in
got.
here for now.
Oh, look what I have here. A chairs.
Our beach house right here.
Which is the one that
Beach
came?
set house right here.
Which one came? What is it? Oh, can I have one now?
Ooh, who's this?
Oh, wait, no. Wait, this.
This is Cafe Set 1. Nice. So we have 2 different ones, right?
Yeah, and I guess that
Yes.
one's the number 2.
Look at this one. Beautiful. And it comes with this card to play with coffee cups, and a little latte place where you can carry your coffee.
Oh, and we
Very
got
nice.
this
Put
lady
it right
next.
here. We'll put our cards under our coffee cups.
Oh, look, I got a different ball. Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh, I got this one too. Look, another cafe.
We're collecting all of them. Oh my gosh.
This is like
Nice.
I got the cafe.
Beautiful.
Look, here's
Wanna show
one.
it, Mama?
Look, you forgot this one.
And this one we're gonna play secret. We're gonna put it in the gumball, Squinky Gumball right here, and then we'll find out later what it is, you guys. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh, me
Now
too.
open
I'm gonna
it.
keep this one here.
Okay. Ooh, look at
Give
this
me my
beautiful one.
box. Oh, we may have this.
That's it. You guys opened them already.
Ta-da! Look. This is cute.
And then let's show all the little Squinkies that you guys found right now. And we got. Can our friends see them? Can our friends see them? Yes? Okay.
I got the bank one.
We'll join together.
I got the Mary one.
Yeah?
Open this. Yeah, I got the one that
Nice. Let's put on. Let's see if we can put all of our little cards here together. And so all of our friends can see all of our cards.
Open this.
Everywhere. There's our friends are in one of these Squinky houses.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's missing a little Squinky.
So these are all the places and shops that we got.
Did my girls, did you guys have fun opening them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's show our little friends, and then after we're gonna play with our gumball machine. Okay? Yay!
Yay!
And these are all the cards we got. See them all
They're my
here?
favorite.
Fun. After we're done with our video, are we gonna play, girls?
Yeah.
How fun! All right, guys, put the penny in
Let's
there.
keep going.
Let's keep what rolls out of there.
Got it.
Okay, turn it. Woo, Squinky! Your turn,
I
Mama.
got a cute little baby.
Put the penny in the slot.
It's a baby and that's waddle.
Yes, and then turn to the right. Push it. Good. Now turn it.
No, what?
Oh, there it goes. It rolled
I
out.
got this one.
Nice. Open it and show it to our friends. And squeeze it. Okay, Michaela, it's your turn, Mama. There we go. Okay, you put penny. Now we're getting the hang of it, guys.
Got it.
Oh, stuck again.
Oh, it's stuck again.
Let me see. Let me try this. There it goes. I think something rolled out, right?
No. Oh, yes. But, it opened itself. I can't get it. Oh.
There it is.
Oh, I got it.
Good. Nice. There, perfect. Now turn to the right. Oh, there it goes. Now get the penny. Get the Squinky.
Got it.
There it goes. Which Squinky did you get?
The mermaid.
Oh, you want to get this one?
The mermaid.
Nice. Show our little friends. They want to see the mermaid. Go. Perfect. To the right. There it goes.
Oh, I hope I didn't get another one.
Nice.
Oh, we got another baby.
Oh, right
It's
here,
like a
girls.
baby
Right here,
girl.
Mama.
And this is like funny because the babies are like because one of the babies are bigger than the little girl.
Pulled out.
The
Okay, Mama, let's go.
baby.
Okay.
I got the baby.
Nice. And I think that's gonna work. There it is.
Oh, got it. Wait. Got it. Oh, I got someone that got married. I got a wife.
Okay, keep playing. I'm sorry, girls. They're
That's
just
all right.
so cute. Go, Bella.
No, that's not.
Let's see what she gets.
Push
Push
it.
and turn.
Other way. Yeah.
Yeah! Woo! I
got-
love it.
What is this one?
Okay, Mama, go.
What is this? The married one?
I think it's the
Yeah, it's the husband. Yes, the groom.
groom.
It's the husband.
There it goes.
That one.
Nice.
Oh, we got a mermaid with purple hair.
Oh,
Here
nice.
she is.
We're almost there. We got three more.
My turn.
Yay. Put it down here, Mama. Go. Yay. So cool.
My turn.
Let me prepare for you, Mama. And there it is. It's ready. Yay.
Oh, look what I got.
Who's that?
I don't know.
I don't either.
I think
More
it's one
friends.
of the ladies that goes right next to the bride. The
Bridesmaid.
bridesmaid.
Yay. Okay, one last one. So Auntie Gold gets to roll the last Squinky out of here.
I
Watch,
think it's gonna look
like this.
baby.
Press, turn. Yay! Who came out?
And it can stuck to your hand. It looks like a groom maid.
Yeah?
It looks like
Of the suction. It has
Wait,
suction.
give me your finger. Give me your
Yes.
finger. Give me your finger.
Hold on.
There. It can What is it? What is it?
Oh, it can't get stuck to us. Huh?
I can't.
Okay, here. Whoa.
Wait, try to get
Oh no, let's not lose our little Squinky here. Okay, guys, let's put them all here for our friends to watch. We had so much fun, right?
Yeah!
Oh my God, girls. So now it's time to say bye to all of our beautiful friends out there.
Yeah.
Remember.
Bye, guys. And leave a comment which one was your favorite. And like and subscribe to see more videos of us opening fun toys like this.
That's right.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.